But don't cancel her Bhopal. Inform them. She immediately writes an email on 31st, writes an email on 8th to everybody, including minister. If that Varanasi seat goes waste, they will sue her for all the college fees. Allowing the petition will mean upsetting the entire system. At least there is something she's getting.
That something is not the purpose for which she has done all her hard work.
If you surrender Varanasi and you lose this petition, you lose both. All Madhya Pradesh state quota students will lose their seats.
That the third round of counselling is over. My lord, the results were declared. Now the students have reported already reported. Now, if my lord, if the resignation window is open, my lord, then that seat will go west.
We are not. There are two issues here. She wants to surrender the seat of the Varanasi college.
Yes.
She got the seat allocated on 30th of January.
Yes.
in Bhopal. Immediately on 31st, when window was not open, she sent an email to all authorities.
Yes.
That, look, I've got this, I want to surrender. So, student is bona fide.
Yes, it is.
She can't be penalized for this surrender. That you lose that, now you lose this also. Not her fault.
No, my lord, yes, it is correct, my lord.
So, that is the only issue.
No, my lord, it is not.
Why? Another thing is because there is some final round happening, which is open till another 4 or 5 days.
But that is stray vacancy round, my lord. In those cases, my lord, the candidates who have already allotted the seats in earlier round cannot participate.
It doesn't matter. What our only concern is that Varanasi seat which she wants to vacate, please I'll put it in that and allot it to somebody.
My lord, these are my instructions, my lord. In such a situation, my lord, the merit will be compromised because the meritorious candidates.
What are you proposing to do for her?
My lord, it is for the court, my lord.
No, you tell us as MCC what is your proposal, because she's not the only one. There will be several
instructions, my lord. Now, if the window is open, my lord, that will create cascading effects. My lord.
Don't open the window, but don't cancel her Bhopal.
My lord, but in such a situation, my lord, that seat will go to the lower meritorious candidate.
Maybe.
So the other meritorious candidate will say that we are entitled for.
So, Mr. Yadav, what is the proposal for her? She is not concerned with.
It is absolutely correct.
She only wants to preserve her Bhopal seat.
My lord, may I just make one more submission? My lord, the seat in Apex Hospital is a diploma seat. The seat which she secured in Gandhi Medical College is an MD seat. So she has attained this MD seat on the basis of her merit. If she is going to lose that seat in Apex, if she is going to lose a seat in GMC Bhopal, her merit will naturally come down because of this particular action.
She wants to preserve Bhopal. How do we do? And we don't want Varanasi to go west. Because she is not at fault. Had she kept quiet, we could have understood. Milgai at least informed them. She immediately writes an email on 31st, writes an email on 8th to everybody, including minister.
Yes, it is correct.
So there was nothing else she could do. We could have understood if the portal was open. She failed to register. She is at fault. Now the consequence is going to be, if that Varanasi seat goes waste, they will sue her for all the college fees. Why should she be penalized? It's not her fault.
It is not her fault. So, my lord, may pass repeat order.
What are your instructions?
My instruction, my lord, that we cannot open now because it will.
It does not. All right, don't open. But what happens to Varanasi seat?
That will continue with the petition.
Can't she can't have 2 seats.
She has to.
Has she joined Varanasi?
No, she had.
She must have taken admission.
Document verification.
She has taken admission there, my lord.
In Bhopal?
Yes, sir, my lord. Bhopal will lead.
Bhopal will lead.
The joint candidates are all conducted by HSC will be shared by state council authorities and such candidates are will be debarred.
So how does this work? This is their fault.
This will come as
This is their fault. No, join तो कर लिया. How else will they do? अगर नहीं join करती तो वो सीट चली जाती. This is your fault. MCC's fault.
Not our fault.
Of course, you've not catered for this situation. Now, as per this 11th circular.
As per the direction, my lord, we have to complete the counselling in a limited time schedule.
No, that's not the point.
Now that period is already over. Now we cannot reopen it again.
No, you see, issue is this. Your 12th February circular says data of joint candidates of round 3 conducted by MCC will be shared with state counselling and such candidates will be debarred from taking admission in state quota counselling.
Yes.
That means all Madhya Pradesh state quota candidates are out. All Madhya Pradesh state quota are out. Because all of them took admission after the window was closed.
It is the regulations, my lord, that the candidates who have not secured either in the All India quota or in state quota, my lord, they are
All India quota. Third round closed on, when did the third round close?
27th of January, my lord, final result were declared.
Yes. And the state counselling had happened later. So that means all those who secured admission in state quota on merit are going to lose their seat.
Nobody's fault, my lord. It is this.
You can point a finger towards us.
No, not.
But you see, it is because of litigation which happened. So all you have to do is include these seats in the last round and
Stray vacancy.
so that they don't go waste. So what do we do?
My lord, मैं pass नहीं हो रहा.
So what are your instructions, Mr. Yadav?
Our instructions, my lord, that it is in writing, my lord, that
No,
now
it can't be opened. But what about her seat?
she has to compromise. She has to compromise.
She has to what?
The Bhopal seat.
Give a Bhopal seat.
She should continue with the All India quota.
Why? Then what is the benefit? So all state quotas candidates got to lose it.
The instructions are in writing, my lord.
What are the instructions? What do they say? What is this Joshi Ankit judgment?
Well, this is not the judgment, my lord. This is the order by which the SLP was dismissed.
Challenging what? Those seats will be offered to candidate lower in merit. It's ordered against it.
To cancel the third round counseling, my lord.
Why did the state government conduct this counselling if they couldn't get these seats? They were not to be entertained. Why did they open the portal?
The state authority.
State authority. And she won't be the only one. There will be several more.
There are many things.
Everybody who's come in this counselling after 22nd would be in the same position. You cancel for everybody.
These are the directions, my lord.
When is this ending stray vacancy now? 15. Mr. Yadav, what is the solution?
Well, she may approach to the authority, my lord, MCC. First,
You are here for MCC. She is approaching you. Ask them. Get back tomorrow.
I will see.
Because you see, your para 9 causes a problem where they say merit is going to be compromised.
My lord, difficulty with the limit one candidate, my lord.
No, we are
Number of
conscious that
candidates.
that is what is holding us back.
Number of
Because this
candidates
was
will
second
approach,
round
my
of
lord, and
state.
entire that system will.
Because this was second round of state counselling, which means there will be thousands who will come in the same category.
Now three round of All India quota is already over.
No, 3 round of that's the problem we are facing. Because allowing the petition will mean upsetting the entire system.
Yes.
My lord, if the exception could be given to the state of Rajasthan, why not the state of Madhya Pradesh?
That's something they have to decide.
We have brought
See,
this document on record specifically.
Please understand one. We are with you on your bona fides and your merit. And there being a system problem.
We are a sole individual, my lord, fighting the
You are not a sole
No, 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 no.
individual. You
here
can't-
at this particular moment, my lord.
Maybe. You got the seat in second round of state counselling.
Yes, my lord.
So how many, all students who take it in the second round from the state of Madhya Pradesh, they all will lose their seats now. They all will lose their seats. If we allow your petition, they all will come. The entire admission process will get upset. This is a decision which MCC must take. Please make them aware that the effect of rejection, allowing this petition, or effect of rejecting this petition is going to affect thousands of, all Madhya Pradesh candidates.
Interest of.
All will lose their seats because they would have taken second round as a better improvement. So they all will lose their seats. If we allow the petition, the process will go away. So they must take a decision.
They have already taken the decision.
No, please convey it to them
I will
that this is what is happening. That
convey.
all Madhya Pradesh state quota students will lose their seats. Third round happened in Madhya Pradesh.
It is yet to convene. It is yet to convene.
So no purpose of third round because they won't get it. You have closed the all India.
If one submission, if their seats are saved, my lord, if all India, the state seats are saved, my lord, by permitting them to resign the all India seats. Now those seats will be placed in a stray vacancy round, my lord.
Which will go to lower merit.
Yes.
That's why we said para 9 of your instructions. They have a issue.
Now
If we allow this petition, entire admission process goes haywire and merit gets compromised. If we dismiss it petition, all state quota seats, none of the students in this state will get a seat. The state quota second round counselling is over. Second round and beyond is over. They all lose their seats because they all must have taken all India quota.
Not all.
Window. Most of them. All those who got in second round must have got something in all India quota somewhere or something. And they must have secured admission ki jahan mil raha hai, le lo. That's what everybody does. A window closed. So it's going to have a major issue. Both ways. You have MCC is the only one who can come up with the solution.
I will seek instruction. My lord.
Please file this also then on record. We'll take it, learn it.
My lord, may kindly observe in the order, my lord. That
What do we put in the order? We can't put it in the order at this juncture. We're conveying it to you. Please speak to them. Then we'll pass a final order this way or that way.
my lord.
But there is a difficulty.
My lord, as a student, we are only required to study and get seats in the universities or colleges.
Mr.
We are not
Pandey,
required to follow
Mr. Pandey,
technicalities.
you see, sometimes what happens is the effect of an order is to be seen.
The effect of the order has to be seen that I bow down to my lord's observation.
Supposing we were to say as an interim that let Varanasi be included given the stay round, and that is done. Tomorrow, ultimately, you lose this petition. You lose Bhopal, you lose Varanasi. Understand that also.
But at the end of the day, my lord, that
At the end of the day, she loses both.
But that seat in Varanasi is a diploma seat.
At least there is something she's getting.
That something is not
She
the
doesn't
purpose
want
for which she has done all her hard work.
She doesn't want Varanasi also. If she doesn't get Bhopal, she doesn't want Varanasi.
If she'll get,
If she doesn't get Bhopal, does she want Varanasi?
she'll have no other option then.
That's what we are saying. If you surrender Varanasi and you lose this petition, you lose both. Understand that. Please take a senior counsel appearing for the medical counseling committee. Please for some time to take instruction. That request list tomorrow. We are with you, but seems to